Are you ready for the next big thing in tech? The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is almost here, and we've got the latest leaks and rumors that might just blow your mind. Welcome back to our channel. With the Samsung Galaxy S25 series launch just a few months away, we're diving into the juiciest leaks and updates. From design changes to performance boosts, there's a lot to unpack. Stick around to find out why the S25 Ultra might be the game changer you've been waiting for. First up, the design. Samsung is making bold moves with a new, flat-sided look for the S25 Ultra, thanks to a former Mercedes-Benz designer. This could be a big shift from the previous models. Now, let's talk performance. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, potentially outpacing even Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max in benchmarks. Imagine faster speeds and smoother multitasking. Camera enthusiasts, listen up! While the S25 Ultra maintains a 50MP sensor, it's getting an upgrade with a larger aperture for better low-light photography. And for those worried about battery life, the S25 Ultra keeps the 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, ensuring you stay powered all day. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 series will come equipped with Samsung's new One UI 7 operating system. We've already made an in-depth video on One UI 7, exploring its features and enhancements. You can find it on our channel or at the end of this video. If you're excited about the Galaxy S25 series, don't forget to check out our comparison with the new iPhone 16. Stay tuned for more updates and leaks. As we inch closer to the release, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new content.